guys, welcome back for another vlog. So today's plan is to make some sugar cookies. Now I have never made sugar cookies before, but I'm going to attempt it today because I love to bake. So I'm kind of surprised. I've always been kind of scared to make sugar cookies. It always seems so complicated to me, but I'm going to do it today. So I'm looking for my partner. You already know who she is. She just finished her schoolwork, so I think she's looking for her apron, and then we're gonna. So this is the recipe I will be using. I'll make sure to link this down in my description box, just in case you guys want to go ahead and try this out. It seems pretty simple, and this one it says with this recipe you do not have to refrigerate the sugar cookies, the dough. So I will try this out, and I will let you know how this turns out. You guys wish me luck. Okay, so while Destiny's looking for her apron, I'll show you what you will need. So it asks for 3 cups of flour, some vanilla extract, and it also asks for almond extract. So next time I will make sure to get that. I don't have it this time, but it doesn't ask for a big amount, so I'll just put a little bit extra more of vanilla extract. She's strapping up, y'all. And it asks for a cup of sugar. What do I need this for? There's nothing in here. Y'all, I'm losing it. Some baking powder, some salt, and 1 stick of butter with an egg. Hold on, let me see. You do it wrong right here. Got your hair cut up. Where was it? Where did you find it at?
There.
There.
And I only wanted the cookies. Because I know I have these were down here. So once Terry was in the pantry, once Blossom was in there.
She's talking about the L's, you guys. You ready?
Yep.
All right, so it's already preheated the oven. It says in the medium mixer, cream, butter, and sugar together until smooth for 3 minutes.
Can I pour it in?
Yeah, I'm gonna open it for you, and then you can just put it in there.
Yeah, soft.
Yes, I finally got soft, you guys. I left it overnight on the counter, and it took forever, but it's been colder lately, so it took. Here, you can pour it. Put that in there.
Dump
Yeah.
it in.
You got it?
Got one.
Got the other. Here you go. You got it?
And the last huge one.
Alright. The last huge one.
Huge one. It's very big.
It's just pretty much 2 of the small ones into one. Let me go get a kitchen towel.
So you can both share it?
Yeah, we're gonna share it. Alright. You wanna wipe your hands?
Yeah.
Alright, we're gonna put that. It says with 1 cup of sugar. So,
How to do it? Try to
go ahead, pour it in. We're gonna get a spatula. You got it?
Yes, ma'am. They're just a tiny bit.
Okay. All right, so we gotta cream that for 3 minutes.
Okay. It's almost run.
Okay, so in a separate bowl, combine baking powder, salt, and flour, and add a little at a time to wet ingredients. So let me go get a bowl. Got my Merry Christmas bowl.
Yeah.
So we'll add 3 cups of flour. Lower this. Hold on, baby. I'll put it, and then I'll let you.
Dump it in.
Yeah.
So I was gonna ask if you could do that. So
I woke up this morning. I looked outside my window where children lighting up the Christmas tree, and the snow is falling. It reminds me of the good times, those winters we would spend just you and me. It's been such a long time, but tomorrow's Christmas Day, and I am on my way. I'm coming home for Christmas. Yes, I'm coming home to you. Oh, how much I missed you. Wanna spend this day with you. Yes, I'm coming home.
Okay, so I got the extract and let's do the egg. I'll crack it, you can pour. You know what? I'm just gonna put it in this cup and you can just pour it in yourself.
Alright.
Here you go. You can just add the egg.
Ew, plastic.
You got it?
Plastic.
Give me the towel.
Walk under the moonlight and kiss under the stars. It's gonna be like we never were apart. Yes, I'm on my way. This time I'm here to stay. I'm coming home for Christmas. Yes, I'm coming home to you. Oh, how much I missed you. Wanna spend this day with you. Yes, I'm coming home to you. I'm coming home, yeah. Yes, I'm coming home to you. Whoa, oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh. La, da, da, da.
Not chew dough. Okay, roll out. Do not roll out. Okay, can you get the roller from under the cabinet?
Just one?
There's one under the cabinet.
What's that? Oh, Carol.
Hold on, baby, because I'm kind of scared.
Scared what?
I don't know if it's going out good. Okay. Okay, in front of me.
Let's do it.
Let's do it together.
Ooh, it's fun. I like
Oh, not too much. Slow down. Slow. Oh, it's crumbling. Oh, Lord.
What's better? It's going all together now.
Hold on, now we gotta do it from the side. So, you gotta stretch it out into a circle.
Big, because we need to make a lot. Because we know we eat everything.
All right, y'all, so this is what we have so far. I pray to God that it comes out good. This is not one of my skills as far as rolling dough, right?
And then look, we got a snowman cookie cutter, we got a candy cane one, and we got a snowflake and 2 trees.
Yep, we got 2 trees.
Yep.
So let's cut out some cookies. So let's start from the top. All right.
This close. I'm gonna put it down.
Push it down.
Take it up.
Okay, let's see. Oh, is it? You gotta be careful when you get it up. Oh, it did it. Oh, wow. Okay, let's do it.
Oh no, it's ripping.
Hold on, you gotta be careful. You lift it up. Let me see. Very.
Oh, I use this.
Which one you want now?
Tree.
Okay, put it right there. Go ahead.
It's got a big cookie.
Okay.
You can take it out and I'll bowl them.
Oh. Okay, we got Christmas trees. So what else do we have? Oh, a snowflake. Let's put a snowflake right here on this side. Go ahead.
It looks so pretty. They look so cool. We've never done this before. Oh, that one came out a little bit.
Oh, that looks so cute. I guess we didn't do so bad, did we?
Mm-mm. We did enough.
Okay, go ahead, push. Oh, that's Nippy, we're doing a good job, girl. Hold on, let me lift this one up. I don't want to mess it up. Oop, I think I did already.
That's okay. That's a plate.
You know what? Let's Do I have like a pick or something?
We have toothpicks.
Okay, got it. I think I got it out, right?
Yay. This good?
Hold on. There you go. Go ahead, push down.
I don't always hear the crunches.
You hear
Ooh,
the
that one's
crunch?
perfect.
No.
Perfect.
Okay. I think we're doing a pretty good job.
I want this one again.
Which one?
This one.
Okay, go ahead. I think we've been doing it upside down with this one. Oh.
It already came in.
I'll put it right here.
Inside of the molder.
Okay, so which one are we doing next?
I want to do this one.
Snowman?
Yep, I love these cookie cutters.
Listen, I think we might have to make some more. I think it's like this.
Next week?
This week?
Again, yay.
Yes.
If we run out.
Can't believe that Christmas is next week.
Yeah, and it'll be so much fun opening the presents.
Oh.
And we're gonna sing some music.
But what is the real meaning?
Jesus.
That's right. The real meaning of
That's it?
of Christmas is Jesus. So where was Jesus born?
Christmas Day
Yeah, but where?
in Bethlehem.
That's right.
Just like it's a little bit.
And where was he born in?
A little. What's it called? Hut? A little hut.
Not a hut. This one's falling apart. Hold on, sweetie.
And a little barn.
That's right. With what?
Animals.
That's right. And maybe you didn't wait. And who came to visit him? It's upside down.
Let's see. What's it called? The three wise men.
That's right.
He gave
What did they give him?
presents.
What kind of presents? Do you remember?
No.
Okay, so they gave him frankincense, myrrh, and gold.
Myrrh.
Mirth, yeah, mirth.
Myrrh.
Oh, correcting my English.
This one.
Wait, hold on, Mama. Let me see. Yeah, go ahead, push it down.
We still have a little bit of space left. Because we've been baking a bunch of cookies.
Ooh.
Oh.
Did you get it?
Yep.
Okay, that's hold on. Hold on, sweetie. Hold on. Okay, go ahead, push it down.
Did you just hear the crunches?
Yeah, I heard the crunches.
It always makes crunch noises. Oh, there's a bunch of cookies.
Oh, this one broke.
Uh-oh.
So don't worry about that. We're gonna re-roll this and see what else we could get out.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Roll it is fun. Because it still looks like there's a bunch left.
Mm-hmm.
And I do need to put another Christmas. And then we have to get a whole nother pan.
What we do?
There's not enough space, look.
I know.
Wait, there's not enough space.
Might have to do double batch
Wait,
next
look.
week. What do you think of that, girl?
Can we do a relax today too?
Not today, but we could definitely do, because I wanted to kind of like a tester to see how well this does, but it does pretty well.
So no double batches?
Okay, now we don't have to re-roll it, but how about we put these in the oven? Guys, I don't think we did too bad, did we, girl?
Yeah, it looked pretty good.
Hold on, what's that on your cheek?
I think it's powder.
Flour.
Oh.
So we got to put this in the oven for how long? 6 to 8 minutes.
We'll do 8. We'll do 8
Oh, we'll do 8.
to make sure it's good. It's in there good. Can I put it in a little ball so we can re-roll it again?
Hold on, no. And I put more flour on the countertop.
Well, I'll hold it. I'm gonna dump the powder. You show me how to.
So Destiny pretty much ditched me. She's like, can I wash my hands and leave? I'm like, sure. So I'm waiting for the first batch of cookies to come out of the oven so I could put the second batch. What I did was re-roll it and we cut out some more cookies. So that's what I will be doing. Let that cool down and then we're gonna decorate them. y'all, so one of the cookies broke while I was trying to put it on a cookie sheet. So I had to taste it, you know, because it was broke. It's broken. It's so good. So my plan is to make a double batch of cookies this weekend. Oh my God, that was good. Okay, I can do this. I'm excited. Make this pretty. These are Easter ones. Hold on. You got icing is that one?
Yeah. Where's the cookies?
These are the, I'll bring them in a minute. These are the Christmas ones.
Yeah, we can use
These are
those.
fall, these are Halloween. These are more Christmas ones. Let me see which ones. Are they the same? Pretty much. Which one are you guys going to use? You can use this one.
Wait.
It's already open. Okay, we're going to use those and put this back. And bring some cookies.
Yeah. This is a fun day ever. Well, I don't know which. Every day's fun, except for when I'm having a bad day.
Oh, I know. All right, which one is my favorite?
Which one was the one I picked?
It's over there. You can pull it off. So you want to leave?
You mean snowflake?
Snowflake, yeah.
How do I open this?
She's always correcting me. Which one you want?
I want the Christmas tree.
Christmas tree. Good, great pick.
The
Alright, let me see. Let me see yours. It's gonna have to be a white Christmas tree, you guys. I don't even have enough. I'm gonna have to go back to the store.
It's a fluff one, like Mama's tree.
A flocked one?
Yeah.
So this is my time to correct you then. You mean a flocked one?
Yeah.
Good job.
They look so pretty.
Mm-hmm.
A
Uh-oh.
little bit coming off. I got some on my plate so I can still use it. Stick it in the frosting.
Let me see your cookie. That
It's
looks,
so cute.
that do look cute. So the sugar cookies were so good. So I hope you guys try it out. There's a few mistakes that I made. Well, some of them kind of crumbled. And I think one, I should have left it on the pan for a little longer to let them cool down before I moved them over to the cookie sheet. And two, I need to make them a little thicker like it asked for in the recipe. Instead of making them thinner, so like that, they're nice and thick. And they don't fall apart, if that makes sense. So I know what to do now. They're pretty easy and they taste so good. It's so much better to make it yourself than buying the store-bought like the ones I was doing. And so I hope you guys try that out. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you have not done so already. And keep a lookout for my next videos, guys. Bye.